Hi, my name's Simon. This is my Hyosung Gt125R. Was originally black and silver, but I've opted for new black fairing. Looking for a new get a black tank. Really like the colour black. This video is more or less about the exhaust can I've got on, which is a one-off custom. Which is designed for a Joiner 650 buggy. But next door, which is www.blitzworld.co.uk, managed to give me one of these exhausts. We had a few problems at first. Just needed to lift the needle jets up, and to get this exhaust running perfectly sweet on an Hyosung. Now, it's slightly different than most Hyosung standard exhaust, not standard exhaust, I would say aftermarket exhausts. There is some nice sounding ones out there, but what I've seen so far, this exhaust is quite unique compared to the rest of the exhausts what are on the market. This one gives a slightly deeper sound. It's a 3.5 oval, well, free exhaust all the way through. There's nothing in there. If I can try to point it in there, there's absolutely nothing, and that's completely straight through to the pipes. This can is not road legal. It's not a road legal can. It's illegal as such. But these days, you know, on a Hyosung Gt125, you're not going to be doing more than 90 miles an hour, are you? So really, you know, you can get away with it, especially I can get away with it because my bike is only 1 year old. Anyway, enough of me talking. I'll let you have a listen to this. It's quite funky. Also, bear in mind the resonance because I'm in a unit at this present time. Right. Tick over, see if I can give it some revs for you. Quite funky.